Good morning, my friends. Welcome to Trading with KS. Today is 4th of March 2022. So today finally the institution show hand ready. Okay, they say no more. Okay, no more bullet. It is what it is. So we are going to take profit, right? Most likely take profit and run. That's why the whole market big drop today. Before we start, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Now, today, we want to see damage limitation. Okay, take a look at what is the possible damage limitation we can apply if today continue big drop. So, want to open CGS-CIMB account, don't forget, okay, use my link below the video description in my website, Trading with KS, or in the Facebook, Trading with KS. And I want to buy me coffee, go to coffee.com, Trading with KS. So, my status, my update on my daughter yesterday night. Yesterday was the worst since the beginning when she got starting to have fever. So yesterday but at night later at night, right? After taking the medicine, she's a bit better now. But at least at the night she's getting better. She can sleep. And morning she's today morning is better, just like yesterday. Morning she's quite okay, because the symptom off and on, off and on. In the morning she's okay, walk about, can talk, can play toy, this and that, right? But let's see in the afternoon, see what happened. So we only worried, just like yesterday, around 4 o'clock in the evening, starting the fever starting to come back. Okay, never mind. We talk about the stock market. So today, market really dropped. Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Okay, let's look at KLCI. So KLCI today big bearish engulfing, somewhat of a bearish engulfing, not exactly bearish engulfing, but a sentiment of a bearish engulfing. So a big drop below 1,006 already. Okay, after all the climb, RSI also make divergence, right? Okay, divergence. Looks like this time really dropped. Yesterday that one was a trap. We can call it a trap or whichever. Okay, so looks like a trap. So market do happen this way, but we can see the chart now. We see the danger, the real danger now today, because this candle is no joke. This candle is very, very big. It's not this slightly big, similar size to this. Okay, so it's not too it's not how do we put it, too scary. Okay, this is scary, right? This is scary. You see, this is scary. After some consolidation, okay, big drop, this is scary, right? This one not so scary, not so scary. This is scary. This is only half day, right? In the evening, we don't know how far it will drop some more. So this is scary. Okay, this could put the market come back down to here. Okay, so yesterday here was a trap. Okay, but don't worry. Okay, we still can spot it early. Okay, this is a false break, or we call it a trap, whichever. This is a false break, a false break. Okay, how do we call a false break? Okay, the price. Okay, price went up 1613, went up one day, the second day, boom, fall back below. Okay, so this is a trap. So market is very dangerous. It's not as good as we thought it is. Okay, let's look at the BURSA index. Okay, let's look at the sentiment 17. It's horrible, very, very bad. Gainers 171, losers 1811. Okay, so market really show hand. Market are throwing already. Market throwing. So have to be very fast today. Okay, those stock that you see something wrong, you better out today. So 3.434 volume change, 20 point drop, 1.28%. Once still holding at 1618. Let me see. Is it still holding at 1618? 1599. I think this one need to refresh. Hold on. Okay, this is the right info. Sentiment 17, gainers 170, losers 822, 1.947 billion turnover. It's all sell lah, sell lah. So 19.34 points drop during the lunchtime. 1599 let's look at the KLCI. Okay, open straight away drop. Okay, after that got some buy in, then after that continue drop lah. So this is not good. Yeah, some more is Friday lah. Okay, so look at the sector. Consumer drop 1.6, industry drop 0.57, construction drop 1.52, technology drop 3.63, finance drop 0.59, property drop 0.09, plantation drop 2.42, RET drop 0.33, energy drop 3.31, healthcare 1.21 drop, all drop telecommunication drop 1.03, transportation drop 1.45, utility drop 0.70 lah. So today no need to see the top gainers there's almost no gainers so we straight away we dive into the damage limitation Okay, look at energy. So energy, okay, energy finally the price broke out from this line already, this support line. It was holding as support quite a few days, then suddenly today broke down already. So look like energy is going to drop again. Energy looks like going to drop again. Look at the global energy price. Crude oil price still high. Only our market dropping. Palm oil and this palm oil price is still high. Crude oil price is still high, but about our market no more energy. Okay, big drop. Actually, global also big drop. Plantation also start to break drop. So plantation, watch out. Okay, this candle is, if it's very big, okay, it could drop a few more days, maybe. Take profit strategy, take half first. Okay, see what happen. If it goes up again, maybe we want to add again or buy in again. If it continue drop, we take full profit. Take half first. Because this candle is dangerous. Technology. Okay, technology. Yesterday I say judgment day. You have to decide already. Okay, whether you still want to keep or not. Okay. Because a break below 74, I said it will have a further drop. You have a further drop towards 70. So it's up to you how you want to control your this portfolio, right? Control your this holding stock, but the sentiment now looks like it continue to drop. Okay, it will continue to drop. There is one way for you to run. Okay, one return wave, okay, one rebound, okay, for you to run, at least run half first. So if you didn't run, so now you have to absorb the drop, but I'm not saying that there's no chance to reverse up, because the world still need a lot of technology, but in the short term we don't see it will rebound anytime soon, but as I said, during war anything could happen, anything could happen just in one news event, right? One publication, one government come out and say something, okay, then this can totally change, right? Let's say US President Biden come out say something about the technology sector, okay, or talk about their strategy, or this Fed, okay, Jerome Powell came out talk about something, so this will can turn around, okay. But looking at the sentiment, like I said, looking at a chart, looking at sentiment, it will continue drop for now, okay. So today we want to talk about this oil, okay, oil and this plantation. These are the two stock these are the two sectors that going up. We want to see what is going on, whether we want to stop, we want to do damage limitation, take profit on whichever. So we want to take a quick look, at energy. Amada continue big drop. Amada, this one you should out already. Here long time at 50 cents. Okay, should out already long time ago. Okay, our play is from here. Remember, 47 cents towards here, towards 54 cents here. You should take profit. Hibiscus also. Okay, hibiscus, right? This one, right? You should come out around here. Okay, 1 ringgit 20 cents around here, you should start to take profit, because many red candle, right? You see, not many red candle, so a lot of red candle, so difficult for it to go out. Maybe if you are still holding the stock, you take half profit first, see what happen, because the oil price haven't come down, oil price is still higher, so because the energy concern, because Russia is a big energy exporter, right? So there's still a lot of requirement for energy, but our energy stock is quite high, the price, so maybe take some profit first. So look at a presentation. So today big drop, JTIASA look like bearish engulfing, look like we have a drop first. Okay, even though if it still can go up, right, I think probably it will drop first. Okay, it will drop first, maybe to 99 cents, you know. So if you are in profit, right, here's the support. Here's the support. So most likely it will come back to here, 99 cents first. Okay, and possible if we can rebound, we cannot, it will continue drop. So you have to be very careful now. If today, right, if today it doesn't push the price back up, right, so today is still a big red candle, right, around 1 ringgit 13 cent, you know, or around here. So if today is still a big drop, right, 7-8%, 9% drop, probably you have to take profit, take half. You know, I will take half, and or I would take all. Okay, so BPLANT also big drop. Okay, these are all consolidation. Okay, this is consolidation and a big drop. This is a triangle. Okay, this is a triangle, a drop after a drop below the triangle. Okay, so this is a breakout below a triangle. Okay, so this one also looks like okay, if it doesn't go back up today, right, so most likely it will correct, it will come down first. So it's take some profit first. RSAWIT also starting to have bigger candle, but RSAWIT we didn't really play this RSAWIT. SWK condition is a big candle, big red candle compared to a small green candle here. Okay, so this one also possible. You want to take some profit first. This one we got a pin bar here, shooting star. So a morning star. So this one come out, came back down. So this one most likely is going to drop also. So take some profit. You don't want to take all. You think you still can go up because the oil price, palm oil price, maybe still can go up. Maybe you take half first. Okay, so at least you pocket some money first. If you drop also, you are not scared until you drop until your break even point. Maybe you're out. Okay, or you want to wait for it for a while. Maybe it drop a few more days. Maybe it go back up. So you still can got money. Okay, so HSPLANT also, you see a big red candle, bigger than all this green candle, right? You see all the green candles, small. This one big. Okay, if tonight close break, maybe take half profit first is what I will do. I'm not saying must be correct. It must be the right way to invest or right way to trade the market. But this is how I would do. I'm not saying that it must be correct. Look at some other Genting. This one is not too bad yet. Okay, Genting. All the others are not too bad yet. FGV. FGV also, if today big drop, you have to be careful. Also looks like want to drop already. Because you see this candle is bigger than all this candle. Means the institution run already. Institution run already. Yeah, this one is not so serious. This one is not so serious. Means still strong. SOP still okay. Not so serious. KIMLOONG also very bad. KIMLOONG also very bad. Okay, so this one also, you see big red candle. Be careful. Okay. So that's it for today. Thank you for all you guys, all your wishes, all your support. Okay, to me, to my family, and I'll see you again in the evening. Bye bye.